To be graded as extra large, an egg must weigh at least 2.2 ounces. If the average weight for an egg is 1.5 ounces, the standard deviation of 0.4 ounces, and the weights are approximately normally distributed, how many eggs in a sample of 5 dozen would you expect to grade extra large? So each individual egg, I want to figure out what's the probability that a given egg is extra large. So I'm going to go ahead and, actually let me just do it over here. I have my normal distribution. My mean is 1.5. My standard deviation is 0.4, so this would be 1.9 up here, and this would be 1.1 down here. Alright, how many eggs in a sample would I expect to grade extra large? Extra large is at least 2.2, so 2.2 is somewhere a little bit farther than the 1.9 there. Extra large, I guess, is going to be 2.2 or bigger, because it says at least 2.2 ounces. So I have a cutoff, and I'm looking for an area here to find out the probability that a given egg is graded extra large. So that means I want to use normal CDF. My lower bound is 2.2, my upper bound is 10 to the 99th, infinity. My mean is 1.5, and my standard deviation is 0.4. So we'll do normal CDF 2.2, 10 to the 99th, 1.5, comma 0.4. Approximately 4.0. Yeah, approximately 4% chance. 4.01, 0.0401, sure. I'll go 4 decimal places because that's what I've been doing. So the probability that a given egg is graded as extra large is 0.0401. If I want to figure out the number that it's expected to be graded as extra large, I'm going to assume this is a binomial distribution, so assuming that the probability one particular egg is extra large is not dependent on, or is not influenced by another egg being extra large. Again, this might be a somewhat iffy assumption, because maybe it's one hen that is giving the extra large eggs, and if you have an extra large egg, it's most likely from that one hen already, so the next one is not likely to be from that same hen. But you know, by and large, it actually isn't that bad. Even though this is a somewhat questionable assumption to make, it usually does tend to turn out fairly well. So we're saying we have a sample of 5 dozen eggs. That's 60 eggs. We're saying there's a probability of 0.0401 that each egg is graded as extra large. So if we do 60 times 0.0401, oops, we get 2.4 eggs. So we would expect, on average, to get 2.4 eggs. Again, we don't care that this is not an achievable number of eggs that are graded as extra large, because this is an average.